Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Wakefield is a small city located in Gogebic County in the western Upper Peninsula of Michigan near the border with Wisconsin. It sits along US Highway 2 and is surrounded by forests, lakes, and rolling hills that define this northern landscape. The city has a population of roughly 1,600 people, giving it a close-knit, small-town feel. Wakefield also serves as a gateway to nearby natural attractions, making it a practical stop for travelers exploring the region. Wakefield was founded in the late 19th century during the height of the iron mining boom in the Upper Peninsula. The city was officially established in 1884 and quickly grew as mining operations expanded in the Gogebic Range. Iron ore deposits in the area attracted workers and investment, leading to the rapid development of homes, businesses, and infrastructure. The community was named after Wakefield, Massachusetts, reflecting the origins of some of its early settlers. Mining shaped Wakefield's early identity and economy for decades. The region became known for producing high-quality iron ore, which was transported by rail to larger industrial centers. However, as mining activity declined in the mid-20th century, the city faced economic changes similar to many other Upper Peninsula communities. Over time, Wakefield adapted by focusing more on tourism, outdoor recreation, and small local businesses. One of Wakefield's most recognizable landmarks is Sunday Lake, located right within the city. The lake offers opportunities for fishing, boating, and scenic views, and it plays a central role in the community's layout. Nearby, visitors can also find the popular tourist attraction known as the Wakefield Giant Snowshoe, a large roadside structure that reflects the region's deep connection to winter sports and snowy conditions. The surrounding area is also close to Lake Gogebic and several ski and snowmobile trails, making it a year-round destination. Today, Wakefield maintains its small-town character while continuing to welcome visitors drawn by its history and natural surroundings. Its past as a mining center is still part of its identity, even as the community has shifted toward recreation and tourism. For travelers, Wakefield offers a mix of local history, accessible outdoor spaces, and a glimpse into life in Michigan's western Upper Peninsula.